For the scoliosis analysis, what we have is we have a thoracic scoliosis and a lumbar scoliosis to really contend with. If we can see T1 all the way down to, say, in the lumbars, you want to pull that film in as an AP thoracic scoliosis, not a lumbar scoliosis, because we have more levels that are available. On an AP lumbar scoliosis, we can only go up to about T8. So if you have more levels where you have the lumbars as well as the thoracics, choose a thoracic AP and then choose scoliosis. So the way we do this is we load the film just like normal. We're going to go to the scoliosis tab here on the bottom right. We're going to tap that scoliosis tab. Then we're going to choose digitize using scoliosis. So is it a one curve or is it two curves? This one is a one curve scoliosis with the beginning of the scoliosis starting approximately at T5, the apex being at T9, and the lowest part where it changes back, we're going to put L1. Okay? Now, once that is chosen, we're going to go back to points, and we can choose where to start. Obviously, I can see all the way up to T1, and I can see all the way down to L3. Okay? So we're not limited by just the thoracic vertebra on doing a thoracic scoliosis. So I'm going to blow this up a little bit. I'm going to zoom up, and we always go clockwise around the vertebra. We're going to box in the vertebra using the Reiser-Ferguson method. It's going to create centroids. Okay, if this doesn't sound familiar to you guys, I suggest you attend one of our scoliosis seminars where we review this in detail. My purpose for this tutorial is not teaching you analysis. It's teaching you how to mark using a PostureRay system. If you don't know what the Reiser-Ferguson method of analysis is, I'm not teaching that here. You need to attend a continuing education class on that as being one of the aspects. We cover that in our scoliosis seminar with chiropractic biophysics. Okay. With that being said, let's go ahead and we're going to box in that vertebra. Okay. As we go, try to hit the end plates as best as possible. I'm going to do this a little bit faster. There we go. Oops, I did a little too fast there. We're going to back that up and hit that edge there. Let me blow this up a little bit more. Oops. Blow this up. My pen doesn't like to hit sometimes. There we go. Okay, you want to make sure that when you get into that scoliotic area that we're really making sure we get the end plates as best as we can, because obviously the Cobb method of analysis is very sensitive to end plate angulation. Okay, so if that end plate is off, then it's going to change the measurement, right? So let me zoom back out and go a little bit faster here for you. So I'm going to come in like this. All right. I just want to go ahead and show this. There we go. And literally you can digitize that fast once you get pretty good with using the system. All right, so now with that being said, I can go ahead and show the red line. I can show the green line, right? I can show, here's the Cobb analysis, here's the Reiser-Ferguson, and remember the negative sign is the direction of the curve. The translational distances, it's pretty self-explanatory. If we wanted to go up and change the curve, maybe I wanted to change the apex of the curve, keep it at 9, but say the scoliosis ends at T12, that's not a problem. I can go back up here, and instead of L1, uncheck L1 and hit T12, go back to points, okay, show results, and notice how the curve changed through here, okay, and it changed the values as well through here. All right, so that's how easy it is to digitize a scoliosis view using PostureRay, and just know that above and below the area of scoliosis, it's going to trace the centroid best fit, just more for patient education. That way it continues that red line, okay? All right, and as you can see, it curves back. So if you have any more questions on this, please feel free to email us at info@postureco.com. Thank you.